Good morning, children. Again, how are you? We are going to start with the living and non-living things, the chapter 1. In previous classes, we had discussed about natural things and man-made things. Then we had discussed about living and non-living things. We had discussed different categories about living things, like living things move. And I had given you different examples. How do they show their movement? I had shown you the example of animals as well as plants also. Today we will take another new topic, that is need food. Living things need food. How we can categorize? See, I'll show you different examples. Living things need food. First of all, if I talk about plants, they don't have to move from place to place. Why? Because they prepare their own food. They prepare their own food with the help of sunlight. They need sunlight, they need air, and they need water. When the plant get these all things, air, water and sunlight, they prepare their own food, and this process is called photosynthesis. So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process in which plants prepare their own food with the help of sunlight, air and water. Fine. Then these plants, who eat these plants? These plants are eaten by herbivores. These plants are eaten by herbivores like deer. These plants are eaten by deer. These plants are eaten by cow, buffalo, giraffe. These all comes in the category of herbivores. So herbivores means animals which eat plants are called herbivores, and these animals also need food to live. Now what happens to these animals, herbivores? They are eaten by carnivores. These plants are eaten by carnivores. Herbivores are eaten by carnivores like tiger. Tiger is an example of carnivores. Tiger also need food. Fine. So what does tiger eat? Tiger eat deer. Fine. In this way we get a food chain in which plants are eaten by herbivores. Herbivores are eaten by carnivores. See, humans also need food. Fine. Human also need food. Fine. What does human eat? Human eat plants also, and human can eat animals also. Like human eat chicken. Fine. So when human eat both the categories, when human eat plant and animal both, so it is called omnivores. What is it called? Omnivores. Fine. So today in today's class, what we had discussed? We had discussed living beings need food. All the living beings need food, in which plants, that are the living things which we had discussed earlier also. How do they show movement? Plants prepare their own food with the help of sunlight, air and water, and this whole process is called photosynthesis. Then these plants are eaten by herbivores. Fine. Herbivores get energy from the plants after eating the plants. And then these herbivore animals like deer, it is eaten by a tiger, and that is called carnivores. Carnivores are the animals which eat the flesh of other animals. Then we have another category of living beings which eat both plants and animals, and this is called omnivores. So all the living beings on this earth, they may be plants, they may be animals, they can be humans. All the living beings, they need food to survive, to get energy. Fine. And the things which need food for survival come in the category of living things. Fine. Now what is your homework? Bye bye. Thank you.